Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing a spaghetti squash. It's going to be a two-part video doing the squash, and then we're going to come back and do some chicken and the mushroom sauce. It's going to be good. Yum. Alright, show you straightening out this one side. Kind of like doing a pumpkin. And they say you can bake those seeds off just like pumpkin seeds and eat those as well. I won't be doing that, just so you know. We're going to dig this out. Put them in the trash. Alright. Finish up this other side and we get back with you. Alright. We're going to put a generous amount of olive oil on here. All around it. I think we got a little carried away there. We're going to give this a generous amount of salt, because this really has no flavor really at all. So any seasoning that you can lend to this will be helpful. I'm actually going to be adding a sauce to this, so I'm not going to get crazy. Although I'm putting most of my salt on my cutting board. Hit it with a bit of pepper. I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees, because I think that would be a proper temperature. We're going to go about 30 minutes. We just want it to be fork tender so we can separate the strands. So let me do that and I'll get back with you. Alright. I'm going to line my pan with aluminum foil just because I don't want to have to wash the dishes. Do it like that. Clean my hands right quick. We're going to stick these in the oven for 30 minutes at 350, sorry, my bad. And we'll come back when we got that done. Alright, this is going to cool down so I can handle it. And it's fork tender, so just going to pull that. Get this peeled off. And I didn't cook it all the way, so it's still got a little texture to it. But I plan on cooking it some more when I get my sauce to put with it. But we'll get a couple more videos done with these. I got like 5 that I plan on doing, so hey, hang in there with me. End results on this one. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. We're gonna move on to the second part of this video of making me a sauce to put on this.